Hi, I'd like to talk about the shaver. We've had it for quite some time. We have had a myriad of different shavers. There's the Deluxe, and this one is nice because it has a power cord. We've got rechargeable ones, and they just don't do it. After a while, it starts sounding really bad. They don't charge good enough. Comes with this nice bag that has all kinds of brushes and oil, and this doesn't tear you up too bad for sensitive necks if you want to trim your neck. We use it for haircuts, beard trimming. I usually use this 1.5. And the last one we had was a rechargeable, and it had this funky like sleeve here. Well, one of the problems is that funky sleeve bends like around the thing, and these prongs break really easily. So this one, they just snap on. They don't have any recharge, it's not a recharger or a chargeable one. It's just a power cord. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Has quite a few different parts to it. Little brush case. But yeah, I like the shaver.